Your sfdx CLI commands in your gitaction or bitbucket pipelines are not working anymore? Stay here until the end and get the necessary updates working with the new Salesforce SF commands. But first of all, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this knowledge. You know that it will help me to continue delivering quality materials to our community. Hey guys, in the last days I had some problems to deploy things with our DevOps strategy due to some errors that were not existing before, or even do some executions that really was not raising any error alerts. Due to that, I had to do the changes I will show you here. So I had to apply like that to do the CLI installation. I've changed the test execution way and the return we get from the Apex class reading. Did an enhancement in the variables I'm using here. I have applied the new SF commands to log in on the environment. I've also applied the new commands in the destructive chains and in the deployment itself. This dry run option works like the project deploy validation command. But the deploy validation doesn't apply the destructive chains and gave me some errors to run the test class. Do that, I applied this dry run. And a last update to comment, I also changed the pipeline, and now, meanwhile the PR still is open, that will execute automatically on each push without that boring close and reopening thing. I mean, the close and reopen will be still working, but not will be needed anymore. In the real deployment, after the merge, I had to do almost the same, but during that, the destructive chains will be applied. So, let's commit these chains and see the magic happening. Oops, gave an error. Let me investigate that real quickly. Seems that I'm pointing to the wrong folder and file. Let me fix that on both files. I mean, on the validation and on the deployment, and push it over again. Now I hope that the things will work without any problems. And let's see the magic really happening. Seems that was cured. Let's wait. Oops, gave another error. But actually, that continued being the folder name. I need to fix it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Pushing it and gave this other error, but now is in the validation. Do you remember that I told you that now our destructive chains were changed? So the good news are, yes, that is working. And the bad news are, but with the file there, I will not be able to deploy since this destructive and the deployment will conflict. Well, let me remove this destructive file since I don't need it and push the commit over again. And I meant that I don't need this destructive file here in this example. Just it. Because when you need to apply that, you can have that file. And that will be validated as you saw, and you can check the strategy in another video we have here in the channel. And with the things validated, we need to merge to really deploy the things. And confirming the environment, the conclusion. Now I will change the other pipelines that will deploy to the other environments through the other branch, following our strategy. Of course, that I will apply the same changes and the same enhancements in all of those. And when you arrive here in the repository, everything will be fine. I mean, the main branch is up to date with those new SF commands, and you just need to copy that and apply in your strategy to have everything working without suffering. Since the beginning, that was my idea. Show you a way to do things as I have done, because sometimes that was hard to me to find out the solution. And I think that can help someone else. And closing with this idea, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this knowledge, and comment what you have liked or not in this video. I read all comments. And as usual, love you all, see you later, and bye bye.